Hi everybody. This short video is to show you how to share a screen when you are in a Zoom class. I am in Zoom right now and this is my picture. I am in Zoom by myself, which is very unusual. Usually you would have other pictures there, but tonight I'm just here by myself so I can show you this one skill, okay? So sharing a screen is very important so that you can show your teacher what you are looking at on your computer. They can help you then if you're doing an exercise or writing something. It's a very useful tool for teachers to be able to help you. All right. So what you want to do is find the toolbar first of all. Notice there's no toolbar right now. There's no toolbar, but if I move my mouse towards the bottom of the screen, it appears. Right? If I go up here or if I click somewhere else, it might disappear, but then it will come back as soon as I move my mouse. You know the toolbar from using the mute button and the video button. Now we're going to use the share screen button, which is right here. I click on share screen and it gives me some options for things to share. Now I want you to know something. Each one of these is something that I can share, but these have to be open before I click on share screen. Otherwise I won't have anything to share, right? So this little symbol right here is for Google Chrome. These are both websites that I can share right here. I'm going to share this one right here. So I click on it once and that chooses it, that selects it. And then I click on share and then that website is right here that I'm sharing now with my teacher, everyone and anyone else in the classroom. Okay. I know that I'm sharing a screen because down here it says you are screen sharing and it also says stop share. And that's when I want to turn it off. Okay. So if I'm doing an activity or I'm doing a writing, that might be something that I can help my teacher can help me with. So I'm going to move this so you can see up here. Up here, this is a web browser we're looking at, and I have two tabs open. I have one that's Pearson and I have one that's Khan Academy, which is a tool for math. So I'm going to click on this, and now here we are with the math problem. And the teacher can help me with this. They can also do something interesting called annotate. All right, I'll even write that word on here by using the annotate tool. When I come down here and I keep my mouse here for a minute, I get another toolbar, and one of the things on here says annotate. That is a word that means to write on something. Notice it has a picture of like a little pencil here. Comes from the same root word as a note, to take a note or take notes. Okay. Up here, if I click on here, I can draw with my mouse like this. Now it's very hard to write with a mouse, but that's about as good as I can do right there. You can also use the text button by clicking on text over there. And then if I click right here, I can type it. Okay. And you can do that as well. So that is another way that you and the teacher can look at the same thing. You can work on a problem together, etc. And when you're done sharing, all you need to do is click on stop share down here. And then you're back to your regular Zoom screen. Okay. Once you have shared a screen, your teacher may be able to take control of your screen and show you some things by moving the mouse around him or herself. Okay, so I hope this has been helpful. Don't be afraid to share a screen. It's a very useful tool and it will help both you and your teachers. I hope this has been helpful. If you ever have any questions, you can always contact me, Kathy Coleman, at cmcoleman, COLEMAN, at qmail.qcc.edu. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.